Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix the ghost touch problem on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So first, what you guys want to do is remove the screen protector, and basically that's why I'll explain. Here, we will have the side of our phone. When the screen protector is not applied properly, then it will just cover the edges instead of filling the entire screen, and it can cause the ghost touches. So basically, ghost touches are the touches that you did not make, but the phone still registered it. So that's why you don't want it to happen. Make sure that your screen protector is applied properly. If not, then just remove it and reapply it. And what you guys can do next is clean the screen to remove any debris or moisture. So we're gonna start off by grabbing our microfiber cloth and then giving it a few good swipes. After those swipes, everything should be okay. Now what we can do next is we can check the software updates to fix any touch glitches. So go over to settings, and here, as you guys can see, we will have the software update. It's at the bottom, exactly at the bottom. Here we will have it. Now let's click download and install, and here it will check for updates automatically. So if you already run the latest version, then just wait for an update or bring your phone for a checkup in the service center. But if you don't have the latest version of an update, then it might cause the issues, and you should first try and update the software, then eventually get the phone to the service center to get a checkup and a diagnosis made by a professional and not me. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.